It's May 8th, 2022. I'd find myself on this rainy morning at what the railroad calls CP Pike in Lower Walnut Township, Pennsylvania. It's right off of County Line Road. The train I had to be out here for today is not a regularly scheduled train. It's not regular at all. It's an unloaded military train headed for Morrisville. The power at the head of NS 056 is what really dragged me out here. That being two Kansas City Southern locomotives. One in the KCS Go scheme, and the other in the iconic Southern Bell scheme. Before this regular train could show up, we'd have to clear another one, that being NS 69M, Amtrak ballast hoppers for Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. Without further ado, let's take a look. This Sunday was the day after National Train Day 2022. I originally had plans to go out and document some trains on this day, but weather was not really in our favor as it was raining for the days before that and that day also. It cleared up overnight, so it was a pretty nice day today. Here's our 056 approaching CP Pike. NS 056 was carrying around 60 of these flat cars. I'm not sure what type of military equipment's going to be put on them, but there must be a lot of military equipment to be moved if they need this many. This is a pretty interesting train, and this stuff doesn't happen all the time, so the chance that I was able to catch this is really cool. I'd hop over to Busselton Pike. I was unaware of how close 26E was on 056. Just as I arrived there, here came 26E with the UP trailing third. .26E was not far behind 056, following his markers the entire way. After 26E, 24Z would show up about 5 minutes later. I was completely unaware of this train, and quite unfortunately it had two BNSFs trailing, but whatever, we still caught this, so can't be sad. end off this pretty short video, I'd just like to give a huge thanks to Bogle Wheel Productions and his father. Give me a ride down here pretty early morning, so couldn't have done it without him. Thanks so much, dude, and keep making awesome videos. And for now, that's pretty much it. And you're gonna see a War Bonnet video pretty soon, and 425. So I will see you then.